Trading cryptocurrencies for beginners. That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to talk about how to trade the cryptocurrencies for beginners. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making a profit in the markets. And this video is just to educate you and not to give you financial advice. Grab your free trading course right now. 100% free 12-hour X Factor trading course. You're going to learn things like top 13 deadly mistakes, 10K per month plan, amazing charting boundaries techniques, #1 chart reading technique, powerful reversal techniques, ultimate trading system, blast off trading system, #1 trading indicator, millionaire trader mindset, so much more. 12-hour trading course. Click the link in the description right now to get free membership access right now. All right, so trading cryptocurrencies for beginners. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin as an example, but you can apply this methodology to anything you want in the markets. Now, one thing that's really important, I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, and this applies to any of the cryptocurrencies when you're trading the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so when you are starting to look at the cryptocurrencies and you start to trade the cryptocurrencies, it's really important, whether you're a beginner or not. It's really important to understand that that when you are trading the cryptocurrencies, that there's a few things that's important for you to look at. The first thing I must say is that when you are trading the cryptocurrencies or any market out there, you must first identify where is the trend. Okay, you must first identify where is the trend. And now I'm not going to apply I'm just going to apply some simple analysis. And you must understand what's going on in the market right now. And how you do that is you simply bring up a blank chart like you can see right now, and then just have bars on the chart. Now you could either do that, or you could go and bring up the open highlight close chart, and you can make the up bars black and the down bars black as well too. As you can see, and I can squeeze my chart up. And therefore, what have I just done? I have just removed a lot of the emotion from the chart, haven't I? And that's one of the best things that I can say to you, is that when you're looking to trade the market, try to do whatever you can to remove the emotion from the chart, especially when you're looking at this here. You can see how that just by looking at black bars, a lot of the emotion is actually taken out of it, and it allows you to see what's actually going on with this chart here clearly. And the reason why that's important is because you want to be able to read what the peaks and troughs are doing, or what the highs and lows are doing. So you can see just by looking at this here, we had a low, a higher low, came up, sort of not much going on there, had a higher low, and also a higher low. So you can see the buyers are still raising their prices overall, higher. So you can see what's happening here right now as I speak. The market is continuing to move up. But what I want to do is I want to teach you about one reliable pattern that I use all the time in the market when I'm doing my trading in the market. Now, I'm not saying trade this by itself. I'm not saying that every single one of these trades works out. No, it doesn't. When you trade this trading system, you don't know which one's going to work out, and that's obviously part of being a successful trader. But let me actually move this over here. Let me go back over to candlesticks here for a minute, because it's much easier to see. And the way that I like to see, if you're looking for a very reliable pattern to trade the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and any market for that matter, is what I like to do is I like to get a combination of a few things happening, right? We'll just keep it this simple here, okay? You can start to apply some other things to it, but let's just keep it this simple. I want to see a series of small bars, and then I want to get a nice breakaway bar, okay? So if you're looking at the bullish side, this works for the bearish side as well too, but because cryptocurrency has been going up, it's only bullish scenarios that I can show you. So if you're looking for a really good setup, this is the setup that I talk about here. A series of small bars and then a breakaway bar. And that's where you get, and then your entry is going to be here. Your absolute stop is going to be here, and then you're looking for at least two times that risk. And that's what you're going to do every single time. You're going to look for that setup, boom, entry there. That's your risk. This is your target. 2 times the risk, and there you go. So that's what you're looking at doing there. And so if I go back, and let me go back from the very beginning of Bitcoin, and I want to share this with you and share and show you what I'm talking about here when it comes to this pattern and stuff like that. So let me just go back from the we're looking at a daily chart right now on Bitcoin, but this happened on all the cryptocurrencies, okay? But I'm just gonna go right back to the beginning, and this is the reason why. By the way, guys, this is my trading system that I trade every single day. It's one of the best reliable systems that I trade all the time. And let me just share this with you here, right? And I hope this really does help you out you know, moving forward. Let me just continue to go back to here, and I'm just going to share this with you, right? So we're going back here to 2015. I'm just going to go back and I'm going to share with you exactly. I'm going to share with you, right? I'm just going to go right back to the absolute beginning. Can I do that there? Will it go right back to the beginning? All right. And actually, you know what? I won't go right back to the beginning because you guys know what I'm talking about here. Actually, you know what? There we go. We'll go right back to the beginning here, and I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly where these setups happened, where the stop outs were, and where the setups were. Right, just by using this one simple setup here. We're not using moving averages. Now you can apply. I apply some moving averages and volume to this, but let's just apply that one simple rule where we're going to look for a series of small bars and then a breakaway bar, and we'll see what actually happened. Okay, we're going to look for bullish scenarios only on this chart. So the first thing that we can see is what? What can we see here? The first thing we can see is obviously Bitcoin was very, very choppy through here, wasn't it? Very, very choppy. So not much action through here. Oh, look, what do we have here? We had a series of what? Series of small bars and then a breakaway bar. Right? And then, oh, look, it reversed, didn't it? Okay, it reversed. Now, this is obviously where you're going to apply trend analysis. As you can see, the market was making lower highs and lower highs, so you wouldn't get involved with that one there. But let's just say that was a setup there again, but you wouldn't look to get involved with that because of the lower highs. But let's just say, you know what, we're going to take every single setup here, that one there. Oh, look, yep, it stopped us out. All right, cool. So we're out of that one there. Let's go to the next one here. Look, small bars, breakaway bar. Oh, look, that one made a nice little profit. Small bars, breakaway bar. Oh, look, that made a nice profit there. All right, let's actually continue on through here. All right, so now we've had 3 trades, 2 profits. Just looking at this here. All right, couple of small bars, breakaway bar. Oh, look, it didn't run on, didn't really do much through there. Again, but just by using simple analysis through here, and as you can see, the market really continued down. Not really much going on through there. You're looking for basically a sideways period, and then you're looking for basically a breakaway bar. All right. All right, what do we have here? We have what? We have a few small bars, breakaway bar. Oh, look, it stopped out. All right, okay, cool. All right, now again, this it's important to apply. It's important to apply analysis over this as well, too, guys. So I'm just going to keep moving forward through here. Okay, what do we have here? A few small bars, breakaway bar, and it ran on for a nice profit. Few small bars, breakaway bar, and it ran on for a nice profit through there. All right, so it's going to continue on through there, and that's what I'm saying there, guys. Like, and what I'm teaching you right now is I'm teaching you a simple system that you can get in and get out, and don't expect every single trade to make you money. And it's how you manage those stops as well too. All right. Now let's continue on here. What do we have here? A lot of small bars, breakaway bar, ran on for nice profit. Few small bars, breakaway bar, ran on for nice profit. All right, few small bars, breakaway bar, stopped us out. All right, so I'm not actually counting here, but I'm just walking you through when the setups actually appeared on the charts. Okay, here we go here. Small bars, breakaway bar, nice profit. Few small bars, breakaway bar, it ran on for nice profit. Here was another one here, all these small little candles, breakaway candle, and it ran on for nice profit as well too. Let's actually continue on through here. Small bars, nice breakaway bar, as you can see. And then it ran off a nice profit. Now, this is just a simple system that you can use to identify the markets. Now, by the way, guys, when I say, like, for example, here was one setup right here, right? Small bars and then a nice breakaway bar, and this is where the stop is at. By the way, when I'm trading, guys, if I get in and it hasn't done, and if it's done nothing for 2 or 3 or 4 days, then I simply just get out of that thing. You know what I mean? So that's basically what I do with my stops, right? Look at this here. Sideways, breakaway bar, basically break even trade. Oh, look, we had another one here, right? All small little bars, candle, and it ran on for nice profit. Okay, look at this thing through here. All these small little bars and a strong breakaway bar ran on for nice profit, and then the thing just took off from there. Oh, look what we have here, right? Markets, few small bars, breakaway bar, ran on for nice profit. Let's continue on through here. See what else we had here. Oh, there's a small bars, but it wasn't really a strong breakaway bar through there, so not really much happening through there. Not really much going on through there. Now, guys, this is looking at a daily chart, by the way. Look at this here. Small bar, strong breakaway bar, nice profit. Let's continue on through here. This market's just running up. Nothing through there, nothing through there. And this is how you do your backtesting, by the way, guys. You just be honest with yourself and say, okay, just by applying these rules. Oh, look what we have here. All these small little bars, nice breakaway bar, ran off a nice profit. Few small bars, breakaway bar, ran off a nice profit. A lot of small little candles, breakaway candle, ran on for a nice profit. Let's continue on through here. Oh, look what we have here. Sideways, small bars, breakaway bar, ran on for a nice profit. Small bars, sideways, nice strong breakaway bar, ran on for nice profit. So you can see majority of the time it works out. I'd say about 70% of the time, just by applying this rule, it's going to work in your favor, right? 70% of the time, and there you are out there. So you can see majority of the time you're going to get the market that's run on for nice profit. That's by just applying just one simple analysis. Now, that's, if you're just looking for that's just looking at that. You can apply this to any time frame, by the way. If you go to, say, the hourly chart, let's go to the hourly chart and see where this actually set up on the hourly chart here. All right, let's go back here and let's actually just squeeze this up here and let's see if anything's happened over the last sort of, again, again, just really, really nice setups here. Oh, look, you can see back right here, right? You can see it's a very, very clear setup, can't you? Look at this right here. What do we have here? We had a collection of small bars, nice strong breakaway bar, ran off a nice profit. Collection of small bars, breakaway bars, ran off a nice profit. So you can see it works on every single time frame, this here. Now, I don't just trade with that, by the way. I don't just trade the markets, but that is one simple system you can start to apply with. And you know what? And you may want to start to apply other things. What I do is I also like to apply volume and also moving averages. Should I say one moving average, which is the 52, and that's what I like to do to actually use that there. Now, just by, as you can see, guys, now I would say that 70% of the time, just by me going over the last couple of years, if you just traded that alone and that's all you did with Bitcoin, you'd be very, very happy. And as you can see, that the ones that did stop you out when you're looking at your risk, let's just say you're risking, say, $1,000, that's the risk, but you're looking for a $2,000 profit. So every time you traded, you're risking $1,000, but you're looking for $2,000 profit. And I would say 70% of the time, throughout there, that's there. Let's just say you only had 20 trades throughout the last, since basically there. You had 70% of winners. I'm just throwing the numbers out here. I don't know exactly. There 70% of winners. That means 14 there. And again, if you're looking for double profit, 14 there made you 2K, and then you had also 6 there lost you 1K. Right, so 1K. So you basically so 2K. So you basically this here is let's have a look here. So your 2 times 14 equals 28. So you're 28,000. This is obviously just using the simple math there. 28K minus the 6. Including some brokerage, call it $20,000, right? You're 20K in profit. It's not a lot of profit, no, but what I'm talking about here is how to, trading, right? We're talking about trading. We're not talking about investing. We're not talking about just buy and hold long term. Now you can start to use some other things like scaling out and stuff like that as well too. But this is just one simple method, all right? One simple method. What if you went to, say, risking now $2,000 per trade, but looking for $4,000 trade? That's a $40,000 profit. All right. Now, again, guys, this is talking about trading, right? Trading and investing are different kettle of fishes. Trading is all about having a good, reliable pattern, like I just shared with you. You get into it and you ride it for a little bit, and you take your profit and you run it and you go do it again. Do you know what I mean? And so that's what trading cryptocurrencies for beginners, or trading the markets, trading the currencies, is all about when you actually trade in the markets. Now, you can apply this, we just went over the daily chart, but you apply this exact same analysis to the 5-minute chart if you wanted to, and have a lot more trades throughout the year if you wanted to trade the 5-minute chart. You see how that works? It's the exact same thing. You've just got to make sure that you understand the pattern. Now, do not go out there and place a trade based on this here. You got to understand what you're looking for, how to spot a trade in real time, and all that sort of stuff as well too. But I want to do a video for people that are really getting into cryptocurrencies right now. If you're looking to trade cryptocurrencies, this works for bullishness and bearishness side. This is the way that I actually trade the market right now. And with some simple analysis, when I'm trading the stock market using this here, I'm getting around about that. Right now, this year, I've had an 85% success rate. And I'm getting sometimes 3-4 times profit than my actual risk when I actually trade the options over that there. But this video here is all about helping you trade Bitcoin and also trade the other currencies out there as well too. But you can start to apply this to any market, Forex market or any market out there, and you can start to use this to help you moving forward. So there we go, guys. There we go. This video here is to teach you trading cryptocurrencies for beginners as well. Make sure you grab the free trading course. Also, make sure you check out my brand new book, The Flow of Success. Tap into the 19 powerful universal laws to succeed in every area in your life faster and easier than ever imagined. Make sure you check out the Facebook page. And also, if you need my help personally and urgently, you can book a 1-hour coaching call with me to help you to get on the track with your trading or anything in life that you need. So all the links are in the description, so go check out that right now.